As the AEC industry continues to shift toward digital document management, modern software interfaces like Bluebeam Revu have become essential for managing, collaborating, and sharing large sets of documents. And one of the most powerful features of Bluebeam Revu is its document compare feature. This allows users to quickly and easily identify the differences between two versions of a document. So in this vlog today, we're going to take a closer look at Bluebeam's document compare feature, including how it works and why it's valuable to those of us in the construction industry. To use this feature in Bluebeam, users must have two versions of the same document in PDF format. In this case, we're looking at an enlarged floor plan and then a revision for that floor plan. The software will then compare the two documents and highlight any differences in text, images, markups, and formatting. So in order to do this feature, open up Bluebeam Revu and then navigate to the Documents dropdown. From here, we're going to go down to Compare Documents. You can see we get this nice Compare Documents prompt, and what we're going to do is we're going to select our document A, which is our current file, and that is the original PDF document. You could browse out to your Explorer to select that document, or Bluebeam will default any of the documents that you have open in your drop-down selection. Document B is going to be your revision. And again, you can select from the drop-down menu from your open tabs in Bluebeam, or you can browse out to your Windows Explorer to select the PDF. Down below is your output, and this you are going to select the folder in which you want to save your new PDF file, and then add a suffix to the PDF. So what Bluebeam is going to do is take your revision, this document B, and it's going to create a duplicate copy of it, add the suffix to the end of it, and then highlight any differences between the first document and the second document. So once you have all these options filled out to your needs, simply go ahead and select OK. Once the comparison is complete, Bluebeam Revu will highlight any differences between the two documents, making it easy to see what has changed. Users can then review the changes and decide how to proceed, whether it's accepting the changes, rejecting them, or making further revisions. As you can see here, this is my new PDF document, and what it's showing me is a synchronized view between my original document and my revision, but Bluebeam takes it one step further in creating cloud callouts to where the differences are. So now I know in my revision that this table has been removed for egress, and the first row of chairs has also been removed. You could also see that the differences come up as individual markups in your markups list as well, where you can adjust them, change the status, change the label, and customize your markups to any way you see fit. When working on large construction projects, we are often using different versions of the same document, which can lead to confusion if your changes are not tracked or communicated properly. So by using this document compare feature, teams can track any changes that have been made to ensure that everyone is working from the same set of documents. It is also important to use this feature effectively to get the most out of it. Properly naming and organizing your documents will help to ensure consistency and prevent unwanted mistakes. It is also encouraged that users customize the document compare settings to suit their specific needs. So in conclusion, the document compare feature is just one of many of the extraordinarily powerful tools within Bluebeam Revu that can be useful for anyone working in the construction industry. If you have more questions and want to see how you can learn more about Bluebeam Revu, check out our website at zentekconsultants.net, and we'll be happy to work with you.